Lawrence and Dwainy are living in an Italian school bus, and it's completely off the grid. And Dwainy gonna show us a bit around.
Yes, come in.
How old is this bus?
38, 39 years old.
Okay, and you have been living 6 months in it already.
Yeah, we live 6 months on the road already. Yes. Yeah.
And you bought it converted, and you just did some adjustments to it.
Yeah, to make it personal and make it off grid.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that ourselves. Yeah.
And how long is it?
It's 6.5 meters
Okay.
or so.
And 4.5 tons.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So you need a C1 license.
Yeah, we both have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And so at the back you have a bed?
Yeah.
Is it 120 or?
Yeah. It's a bit small, but it's very cozy with the two of us. Yeah. But Lawrence is 193 tall, so he can fit in. That's nice.
And you have wardrobe under the bed and
yeah, we have
shelves.
like some space to put stuff under it. We can put it up, but it's not that easy. And we have like here is all our clothes, and we have some hanging at the back.
Yeah, and you even have a home cinema.
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
You use it often?
Yeah, we use it like 2 or 3 times a week, and we did even like watch outside with some friends with a campfire on the bus, so that's nice. Yeah, and we just hang it here and just close the curtains, and then we have home cinema. Yeah.
And what is behind that cozy door?
It's our shower / bathroom.
Oh, fancy.
Yeah.
So it was here as well?
Yeah, it was.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you have composting toilet?
No, it's like a split toilet. Yeah.
And how much water you have?
We have 70 liters of water in a tank. Yeah.
Okay, that lasts you a couple of days?
Yeah, we fill up some extra bottles, and I think we can manage like 5, 6, 7 days. Depends on how much we shower.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
And so it was a school bus in Italy before?
Yeah. It was a school bus. Yeah.
How you came up with the idea to buy exactly this van? There are so many vans.
Yeah, we saw it on the internet, and Lawrence was already looking through some vans, and we were on a travel in Asia actually, and we saw it online. Yeah. And I went back for work, so I could see the van, and we bought it. Because we saw it on the internet, and we like the look of it. Yeah.
Do you mind sharing how much did it cost?
I don't know exactly because Lawrence bought it.
So he negotiated.
Yeah.
Okay. Because it's interesting how much that such things cost in your room.
Yeah.
And so here you have living room?
Yes, we have a living room. We can take this one out, and then we can build the table.
Yeah.
A very big table, and but we also can lay on the couch.
And one more guest bed.
Well, it's not that comfy, but you can sleep here if you want. Yeah. But it's a little bit small.
Yeah. And that you have a heating panel?
Yes, we have here.
And you're using it with batteries?
Yeah, just on our electric system. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And usually, I guess, like in the early mornings and in the evenings, like it's not running.
To be honest, we don't use it a lot because it takes also a lot of power, and it's not working that good. We prefer like doing some candles and stuff.
But you don't have diesel heater, nothing. Okay.
No,
so you prefer to stay in the south.
Yeah. We're not going to ski some.
No.
We have a kitchen with a freezer and a fridge.
Oh, it's like a normal from house.
Yeah.
20 volts to 40.
Yeah. It's also not that good with the power, so sometimes we put it off.
Okay. So how much you know? Do you have batteries and so on?
How much that is?
Yeah, how many ampere hours and how much watts solar panel?
We have one solar panel with 400 watt and one solar panel with 200 watts.
So 600.
600 in total, and I don't know what the battery is.
I love that farm sink. It was here already.
Yeah, it was here already, and we can get this one out.
Yeah.
And it's very nice. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, and this is like a storage. And we have like, this is an, we can pull it out.
Oh, both ways.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
Because it goes, and that's actually clever. I never have seen like this. Because you cannot access that corner.
Yeah.
So you can pull it out and you have access. Nice.
Yeah. And we cook on induction, and that's in here.
Okay. So it's hidden there down.
Yeah.
While you're driving.
Ooh, do you want me to get it out? Like this.
Okay.
And then we can cook.
Yeah. But can you, like, with your setup, you can cook comfortably, or you have to, like, watch the batteries out?
Yeah, we have to watch the batteries, and we also have like a little gas extra. So if it's cloudy, or if we want to cook for a longer time, we use that also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as a backup.
Yeah, as a backup. Yeah.
And that door, it brings you to the cabin?
Yeah. To the front.
Oh, nice. So actually you don't lose the heat because of the many windows in the front, but you still have access.
Yeah, and it's nice to close it off so people can't watch you inside. Yeah.
And you have a cat door. So I guess previous owners.
Yeah, previous owners. Yeah.
And it's too small for dog.
Yeah. The dog is big.
All right. Thanks for showing it out.
Yeah.